Stop running Facebook ads with boring images and videos. This is Dino Gomez from San Diego AI Marketing. I'm going to share with you guys 5 types of ads that are working right now on Facebook and Instagram. We have the AI generated image wrapper ad. The image is generated with AI. The wrapper helps convey the message. We have the Instagram repurposed reel ad. This is actually a video ad where we repurpose some of your actual in-house generated content, add the actual wrapper, run it as an actual video ad. Then there is the cartoon ad. All right, so this is a cartoon AI video, again, generated with AI, and it can actually go ahead and help convey your message, your services, your target area, your location, and otherwise turns into a commercial and a very engaging advertisement. There's also the direct response ad that basically just explains very quickly what your value proposition is. Then we also have the realistic, ultra realistic AI generated talking head spokesperson video. This is great.
Want custom
if you have a more professional type of service where, again, we can add text overlays and things to better demonstrate what your area of expertise are, what your services are here in that San Diego area without you actually ever needing to get on camera and without all of the expensive traditional fees that go into creating such high quality content of the source. So those 5 types of ads that will work for you if you guys want us to run a free audit of your marketing campaign and your lead generation efforts. Be sure to click the link somewhere around this video.